install the Docker desktop app. We start by typing install Docker in a search engine. You can also access the link in the video's description. We can see that there is a Mac, Windows, and Linux version of the Docker desktop app. I will be selecting the Mac version. In this page, you can check if your computer meets the basic system requirements. If so, go ahead and click on Download from Docker Hub and then Get Docker. This will take a few minutes to download. After downloading, click on the file to run the installation. You may need to authenticate your user account at some point. Now that the installation process is complete, we can go ahead and open the app. You should be able to see the Docker icon on the top of your screen. Here we have multiple options such as About Docker Desktop, where we can see information about the app, such as current version. Preferences to configure runtime options. Check for updates to ensure that our Docker version is up to date. Troubleshoot to detect if there are any issues with the app. Documentation to find extra information on Docker. Learn, which includes a quick hands-on tutorial to start getting accustomed with Docker. Docker Hub to quickly access public Docker images available for download. Dashboard, an interface that allows us to interact, inspect, and manage our containers. Sign in, create Docker ID to be able to access our very own Docker Hub account. And finally, Kubernetes, which we'll discuss further on in our training sessions. Now that you're familiar with the Docker desktop app, you can go ahead and start using Docker. To do this, simply open your command line and type in Docker commands. You can learn more about basic Docker commands on GenomePT-iMM.